Hello everyone. This application is all about job application. Job application module allows to user or a candidate and employee to fill the job application in detail from portal. This is for Odoo 16 enterprise version and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this particular by portal job application module in the recruitment module in the configuration, you will be able to see the department and the expertise area. Clicking on department, you will be able to see all the departments, and if you want to create a new department, you can create this purchase manager and save it with the manager name who is a manager of this department, and you will be able to see the parent department if any and the company. After filling this department, then you will be able to see here in the configuration expertise area. So whatever will be the expertise area, you can just click on new button and here you can create it. That is the purchase manager, and here you can put the department, which department this particular name will be coming up. After giving this expertise area and all the information, I'll go to the website module. Clicking on website, you will be able to see there is a job posting menu. Clicking on job posting, new job details will be opened up where you can fill the job position name, that is the purchase manager, and the job description. So whatever the job description will be there for this particular job position, you will be able to fill that. So here in the job description, I am putting the job description for this particular purchase manager and the job category. You will be able to select the job category from which is done in the backend, and here you will get the all the list from the backend, that is expertise area, and you can select the expertise area and what will be the recruitment count, that is how much you want to recruit. You can put until when this recruitment will be done. There you can just click on that button and date, you can put date, month and year, and you can submit this form. Once this is submitted, you can see thank you for posting job, and if you click on view jobs, you will be able to see for that particular purchase manager this has been uploaded. This will be not published since I will click on published button. Now this job position will be published, and here all the information will be there related to the purchase manager, and whatever we will be given, that will be there here. And once I go back to the job position, here you will be able to see all the information. And now I'm logging with a user, that is a portal user Joel Willis, and I have given him a portal user. If I go to the job posting, you will be able to see that you are not allowed to post the job since he is a portal user. He will be able to apply this for that position. Clicking on jobs, you will be able to see all these particular jobs will be posted, and whichever the job position is there for you to apply, you can apply. To the jobs, and I will select this purchase manager. I will click on apply now button. After opening that, you will be able to see the job application form for the purchase manager where the applicant information will be there. That is Joel Villas, and you can give the last name, that is T, and the email ID will be coming up. The gender you will be able to select, and date when you are applying for for this particular position will be given here, and marital status will be single or married. You can select anyone. And what is the phone number? You can just type it here. What is the phone number? And once that is done, you can click on next button. Here there is a building or a flat number, so you can just type it what is your home address and what is your street. So I will put the street and I will put the city and pin code, and here I'm selecting the country, which country I'm belonging to, and here I'm putting the state for which state I'm belonging to. So this is an applicant address where all his information will be filled up here, and if you want to go to the previous screen, you can go it. If you want to click on next, you can click. And once this applicant address has been completed, I will click on next, and here this is the education details. So what is the education that they have done and which course they have done will be present here. So here I will be giving the course name as BCom, and here I'm giving the department, that is computer, and organization I'm giving as HAL, and the start date. So when did you complete this particular degree? You can just give the date, that is 2 3 2021, that is 22. I'm giving the 22 2021. And here when is the end date? So if you have any date, when end date, when did you completed this particular BCom degree, you can just give it the date, month and year. And what is the result in that particular course, you can put up. And if you want to add a new You can click on add button and you can add it. Otherwise, you can click on remove and you can click on next button. So here this is certification details. So what has did he or did he for the certification? So I will give as a purchase manager, and here you can give the branch, which branch does it belongs to, that is a purchase, and what is the organization he has done, and what is the description, that is the purchase manager description. You can write it, purchase manager, and here you can choose the certificate. So whatever the certificate will be there for that particular job position, you can just put it up in a PDF, and here you can write the course, like when did you start your course and when did you end your course. You can just type it here, and here I'm giving the month, that is 6/4/2024. So if it is greater than, it will show this pop-up and it should be put up correctly. And once this is completed, the start date and end date, I will click on next button. So this is a professional detail. So if you are doing any job in any of the organization, you can give that organization job, where I will be giving the name of the profession, that is a purchase manager, and in which organization you are working, that is browse info, and which department you can give as a purchase department. And what is a work description? You can give your work description if anything is there. You can just put up here in the work description. And what is an experience in this job position? You can put. And what will be a start date and end date? You can just type it. That is from when did you start this your professional career and till when you are doing it. You will be able to select it. So I'm selecting this and I'm selecting this one. So you will be able to put all the information, and if there is any project which you have done in your professional details, you can add it here and you can click on next button. And here you can upload your resume. So if you are having a resume, you can upload in the PDF form, that is I'm typing this. And once is all the information has been filled, you can click on next button. So here you can see the job application form for the purchase manager. You have done here, submit your details. So you can submit this particular form and you will be able to see this your application has been sent successfully. So this application will be sent through the company, and here you can view the submitted details. So whatever you have submitted, you can just view, that is application detail, job details, education with the professional details, everything you can look into here. And if you go back to the home page, here you will be able to see your applications which will be there, which you will be putting for this particular position, and you will be able to see the status. So whether it is an initial stage or whether it is an other stage, you can look in the portal only and get to know what is your result. And if I come to the back end, like if I come to the HR portal and if I refresh it, I will go to the recruitment module. Under the recruitment module, you will be able to see there is a purchase manager and one application. And I'll go to the all application, and here also you will be able to see you that particular positions will be coming up. So here for the purchase manager, just now it has applied, that is Joy, there's a purchase manager, with all his information will be coming up here. His applicant addresses, what is the job applied, what is his department, and the educational details you can see here, and certification details with the certificate will be coming up, and professional details you will be able to see here, and upload resume. So if you have any resume, you can upload. So here you will be able to see that particular resume will be there, and you can just download that and you can view. You will be able to see this resume, and you can upload the resume through portal, and here you will be able to. And if you have any application summary, you can just put up here. So based on that, the candidate can apply through the job portal of this job application with all his education, professional details, everything. And based on that, it will be coming to the back end, and the HR can look into all the information in the database. So this is regarding the portal job application. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.